What are the perks of flying abroad with a toddler under 2 years old? Fly economy class to Okinawa, Japan. Visited the Star Lounge for Gold members. Onboard EVA Airways A321. Here's what you must know if flying with a toddler.
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Welcome to Tree Papa's channel and good morning Taipei Taoyuan International Airport. Today I will fly to Okinawa, Japan, and I will bring my little one, Anne, with us. So if you got toddler below 2 years old, actually you can only pay 10% of the ticket fare.
As a Star Alliance Gold member, I'm entitled to bring an adult and kids under 2 years old to the priority check-in at EVA Airways counter 15 in Terminal 2, or there's counter 18 for those traveling with a baby stroller. No need to queue in the economy class lane.
Originally, we were planning to book Starlux in business. Unfortunately, the infant seats are fully booked, so eventually I can only book EVA Airways in economy. 5 a.m. right now, it's very early. Alright, since we had a stroller with us, so we are entitled to enter the priority lane. Let's go.
Here comes the third perk. Most airports have a special lane for families with strollers. In Taipei, they reserve Gate 2 for priority entry into security, and you can get a custom stamp there. It's really fast, probably only takes about 10 minutes to reach the airside. Now let's head upstairs to the lounge floor.
So at this Terminal 2, the main VIP lounges are belongs to Star Alliance companies like EVAAIR and also Singapore Airlines. And we are entitled to use the Star, number 5, right here.
As a Star Gold member, I can bring one person flying the same route, and babies under 2 years old can enter for free. This lounge is pretty child-friendly, equipped with a nursing room and free baby diapers. I'll quickly show you around. However, I have just done a complete report on this lounge. Feel free to check the link in the description below. In the Star Lounge, they mainly serve Taiwanese local flavors, but just standard lounge quality. The only highlight is probably the free-flow Häagen-Dazs ice cream.
嗯，好吃吗？还要吗？再一个地瓜。
After a short break and feeding Anne, let's head to the gate for our journey to Okinawa on BR112. This is our flight, an A321 today. Here comes the 5th perk. When traveling with a toddler, I highly recommend bringing a stroller and opting for gate check-in.
Go. 好，谢谢。出发，走吧。
So you don't have to hand carry your baby around the airport. Alright, let's get on board now. Since this is a narrow-body aircraft, the economy class seat has a 3-3 configuration. We're lucky to enjoy the bulkhead seat this time. Travelers who need assistance have a higher chance of being assigned this seat with better legroom, but less space to store the carry-on items. Obviously, she's a bit nervous for her first flight. Let's have a quick seat tour. The legroom is decent, but surprisingly, there's no entertainment screen. Personal air vents and reading lights are available. The tray table is hidden in the armrest, pretty straightforward. The one-time use headset is very basic, but it becomes a toy for Anne, even though there's no personal entertainment system, however. There are still public screens. It's amazing how efficiently the luggage is packed in metal containers and sent over by machine.
对，你现在坐飞机。
The safety instructions are located in the front pocket. Infant safety jackets are available upon request only. An economy class blanket was provided for kids only. And toys were distributed right after boarding was completed. I brought my own entertainment system. It is really my last resort to calm her down. Finally, we're ready to fly. Please fasten your seatbelt and switch to flight mode. Enjoy the A321 takeoff engine sound and Taipei Airport sky view. 'Before I unbox the adult meal and infant post-weaning meal, I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. Once we reached cruising altitude, the pre-booked baby diapers had been dispatched, which was a nice touch. Soon, we tried to put her to sleep, but it didn't go well. So let's see what food she can eat in the air. The post-weaning meal has been delivered. It wasn't very tasty, but she managed to eat some of those while they are still hot. For adults, we got sandwiches, juice and biscuits. However, with a toddler on your lap, it's so hard to enjoy the food. Personal suggestion: it's better to eat enough food at the lounge or on the ground first. Finally, we landed in Okinawa. Let's take a quick look at the A321 business class seat with a 2-2 configuration.
Bye-bye.
However, Okinawa Airport doesn't allow stroller pickup at the gate. We must collect it with our luggage at the belt. Our little princess didn't want to walk on her own. She had to be carried by Tree Mama until we reached passport control. Thank you so much, Tree Mama. In summary, flying with an infant allows for low ticket prices and many extra benefits from most airports and airline companies. But clearly, it's not easy to handle their emotions and meals, both on the ground and in the air. Would you take your babies abroad? Leave your comments below. In my next video, we'll visit the ANA Intercontinental Manza Beach Resort. Check out one of the best family-friendly beach facilities in town. We'll unbox the Club Lounge's premium afternoon tea, tasty happy hour food, and complete set of breakfast menu. Plus, I'll reveal the Nego Bay Suite Room with its stunning ocean view. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.